Hi guys, Namaskaram. Welcome back to my channel, Sri's Delight. My channel is not only about cooking. This is about interior decorations, party decorations and homemaking, home organizations and everything. So today you must be wondering what is this? This is my just a small birthday setup for my daughter who turned 3 today. So this is AK2. AK2 means Akshaya. My husband name is Arun Kumar, so we call him AK. So the second version is AK2. So AK2 is my daughter's name, and this is my decoration with the help of my kids. I did this. So if you want to see how I made this decoration, watch my video till end. It will be fun. There was lots of funny moments and bloopers in this video. I hope you will enjoy this video if you watch it until end. So to see lots of this decorations and home organization videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Your subscription and like will support me to take this channel further. And I should thank all of you subscribers to subscribe to my channel and giving support to my videos, and to the good souls who is giving thumbs up to my videos. Thanks a lot, dears. So now we'll go into the video and see how I did the setup. God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear Akshaya. Happy birthday to you. Guys, namaskaram. Hi guys, namaskaram.
Bye.
Start பண்றேனா?
நாட்டுல தான் இருக்கு.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
So my baby, she turned 3 today. So this is a little home celebration. Because of this pandemic, we couldn't arrange outside. Hope you like this decoration and the birthday celebrations also. Please bless my child. We'll see you in the next interesting video. Before that, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this birthday vlog. Bye.
Bye.